Ever wondered how to make delicious Japanese souffle pancakes at home? These iconic street food goodies are light as air, incredibly fluffy, and simply melt in your mouth. Best part? They can be whipped up easily with basic bargain bin ingredients. Stay tuned to find out how to create these delectable treats right in your own kitchen. To start off, gather all the ingredients you need. Our list is simple and cost-effective, filled with everyday items you likely have on hand. First, we'll need eggs. We'll separate the yolk from the whites, so you'll have a chance to perfect your egg cracking skills. Next we have sugar, adding that sweet touch, and milk for a smooth consistency. Vanilla extract will give our pancakes an irresistible aroma. For our dry ingredients, we'll need flour and baking powder, creating the base for our fluffy pancakes. A pinch of cream of tartar will help our egg whites reach peak fluffiness. And finally, we'll need butter for that rich, melt-in-your-mouth finish. With your ingredients ready, it's time to start cooking. The first step in creating these fluffy delights is to make the pancake batter. Begin by separating the egg yolks from the whites. This process is crucial to achieving that light, airy texture that makes these pancakes so irresistible. Now, let's whisk the yolks with a touch of sugar until they become a pale, creamy yellow. This is when we add the milk and a splash of vanilla extract for that sweet, aromatic flavor. Once these ingredients are well combined, it's time to mix in the sifted flour and baking powder. But we're not done yet. Remember those egg whites? We're going to beat them with a bit of cream of tartar until they form stiff peaks. This is what gives our pancakes their signature lift. Gently fold this egg white mixture into the yolk batter, taking care not to knock out too much air. And there you have it, your pancake batter is ready. Now on to the cooking. Now it's time to cook your Japanese souffle pancakes. First, get your non-stick pan really warm over a low heat. Once it's heated just right, go ahead and add a dab of butter. Butter, my friends, is the secret to that golden brown goodness. Now for the fun part, gently dollop the batter onto the pan, creating perfect little circles. Don't rush this step. Patience is key to achieving the perfect pancake shape. Now, cover the pan and let them cook slowly until they turn a beautiful golden brown. Flip them over and repeat the process. The magic happens under that lid, making our pancakes rise to their signature fluffiness. Keep an eye on them though, you don't want to burn these beauties. And voila, your homemade Japanese souffle pancakes are ready to devour. Well, that's all there is to it, folks. We've just whipped up fluffy, delightful Japanese souffle pancakes with only $1's worth of ingredients. Simple, right? Now go ahead, give it a try and enjoy a taste of Japan right at your dining table.